Hello, it's Miss Hake, and we're back for some numeracy. There are a couple of different activities I'm leaving to finish off our insect week. So the first one is a really cool match game. Look at that. On the bottom, there are circles, and on the top, there are little bodies without their circles, without their heads missing. So what you're going to do is you're going to get a pair of scissors, and you're going to cut where the thick black line is. Just like so. You might want to glue this into your workbook because it's really pretty. And then you're going to go ahead and you are going to see if you can cut the circles out. And you may need a friend or a helper to help you with that, and that's okay. But it doesn't have to be perfect because all that really matters is that you're trying. Then you're going to see which of these, let's do this. It's going to kind of be a little funny to put the head of a bird on some bodies. So it's kind of the fun of it, isn't it? All right, are we ready? Make sure my computer doesn't topple over because that would not be fun. So does that look right? Does that look right? Oh, I think I found the bird's body. So you're going to get some glue. You're going to glue it down. Then you're going to keep going by matching the insects and the birds to the top of their heads. It's really cool. The second thing I have here is an insects writing book. It's all about all the things you can find about an insect. You can do lots of insects. There's a mosquito. There's a spider. My goodness, there is a butterfly. There's a dragonfly. Oh, I'm going to stop here. You might want to choose one or two. And then you're going to go and you're going to find out all the things you need to know about the dragonfly. And it says facts. But just looking at the picture of the dragonfly, I know some math numbers that I can already write. So I know that it has 2 wings. So I'm going to write that down in my facts. 2 wings. 2 wings. Now, how many legs does it have? 4. Good. 4 legs. What else can I tell about this dragonfly? A long body. Yeah. So I'm wondering if I can go ahead and I can color the dragonfly, the colors that dragonflies are. So you're going to have to do some research and maybe go to YouTube or ask an adult to get an insect book out of the library and see if you can color your dragonfly like the colors they usually are in nature. I know because I've seen them before. They have reds, they have blues and greens in them. So I'm going to get started on coloring my dragonfly. Sometimes their wings have a little bit of both. And then see if I can find some more facts. Yeah. There. Isn't that pretty? Yeah. So totally up to you and how much time you have if you want to do the whole book or a couple of insects. Sometimes it would be, this is just a little tip from when I used to do this. You could set up some stations and you can go to the library and pick out the ladybug books, the dragonfly books, the spider books, and whichever the learner wants to go, they could sit at that station. There could be a pre-video already topped up and some books so that they can read. And I would prepare a fact sheet already printed out for them, and they could pick a couple and copy them down. So that would take a little bit of preemptive prep, but totally worth it. And the insect book is pretty large, so you might be able to stretch this out into a week-long inquiry as well by doing that daily. All right, have a beautiful time with the numeracy activities for today, and I will see you soon. Bye.